Hello, all my dear friends. Welcome in the amphitheater of Al Jam with Aziz, the guide Aziz, and I am so happy about meeting my friend Tim and his wife. Welcome all of you in the amphitheater of Al Jam, and I hope that you will enjoy all our trip here. We'll discover many beautiful historic about Romans and what they built in Tunisia in the period of their colonization here. You are most welcome in Tunisia and welcome to visit it.
Good. Perfect.
From here, right now, we enter to the ground,
Okay.
where it was in the past the place where they make only the fights with the beasts and the chariot racing. And you see on this ground there are a view on it to the underground. When from the ground on this iron, it's the view on the underground where it was the past place of the prison, where they put the prisoners and the beasts. You know, here in the summer, every day in the summer, 3 months of the summer, all of it concerts here of opera.
Is there?
Yeah,
Wow.
opera. Here it was in the past like a kitchen, and they bake it there. They put the fire, the wood, and they make the bread on it. All of that, when we enter to this part, this is right now because after passing a lot of centuries on it. The amphitheater of Al-Jam was built from 238 after Christian birth, and it was like in the third century built, between the third and fourth. So
Nearly as old as me.
yeah, it's so old place. All of that you find like rooms are stayed like it was a bathroom. At this ground you can find the kitchens and the bathroom. From here they prepare everything for the king, the queen, and the people are working here. I guess around between 1,700 and
Yep.
1,800 years after building this amphitheater. This is the third biggest Colosseum in all the world. The first one is Roma. The other one is Cabona. The place is called Cabona.
Okay.
And the third one is in Tunisia. And you know, it's considered as a heritage, World Heritage
Yes.
considered by UNESCO. You know, in the stairs, in the past, all of it is round stairs, 360 degrees of stairs,
Wow.
and it can hold around 35,000 of people can come here in the festivals, in the celebrations. They come here, they buy tickets from outside. I will show you from where they stay, and they buy tickets, and they enter to see the chariots racing, the fights of the gladiators. It's like making fun about someone who's fighting with a tiger and with
Yeah.
a lion. They stay there on the stairs. They enter we have right here 9 gates. They enter from it and they stay there to watch it.
Right.
Oh, yeah, after we can claim the stage from there, and we go to the stairs.
Okay.
It was last 2 weeks. This way was closed because UNESCO sent a lot of ecologists
Yeah.
to come and to repair it. Sometimes something
Okay.
they repair it. It was just you can enter from these gates, but it's nice when they open it. We have to go to visit it from that part. And the fights of gladiators with the beasts and with the lions, tigers, and people buy tickets from outside and enter to the stairs. It can hold around 35,000 of spectators here. They hold them and they enter from these gates to stay there in the festivals, in the celebration, to watch the racing of chariots, the fights with, like having fun about someone who is tied up on the iron and he has just wood and some small iron to fight beasts with it. Yeah, and we can enter the stairs. At this part, it stays just 9 gates, and from this part is another part to go to the gate. When we look straight.
Oh, I'm going this way. If you want to go that way, I'll go this way.
This is the close closed right now because they have to send ecologists to come to repair it.
Okay.
But this is a place when you enter from it, special guards enter from here to the room of where was treating the animals. The
Oh,
tigers,
right, yeah.
And they feeding them from that part.
Yeah.
And from the other part, I will show you from which gate they enter to the prisoners. Good, good.
Hmm? A door. She likes doors. See?
I just like knowing what's behind them. I don't like the mystery of what is behind them.
Minecraft, you can enter the inside and see. This amphitheater, for they want it to be same like the amphitheater of Rome. You see, all of that is the floors of houses in the past,
Okay.
and rooms of the people who are working here in the hotel, in the amphitheater.
Which way do we go down?
No, we go like that straight.
Yep.
I'm just following you, for I don't like appear.
Oh, that's okay.
It's one of the doors that you can go from the stairs. Full energy.
Yes, always.
We go right now from here, and we'll go to the stairs where we can go upstairs.
Up to the top.
To the top, yeah. You see, let me show you something. That's showing like it's so original and nothing changed on it. When sometimes some rocks falling down, they don't want to add nothing to it or moving.
Just leave it.
They keep it there, yeah. But it keep their original charm. And, I will show you right now. This is the place when people, when it's full inside, they wait here to find the free place that we can enjoy inside and watching the chariots racing and everything like that on the stairs. You see, they are still original and.
That's a good view.
Yeah. Can I talk?
Yes.
The amphitheater of Al Jam, it's a place of protection and the control for the coast from here. But the view from here, it's so nice. It's like a big view of 360 degrees, where you can look from it to a lot of high places and a lot of far places, more than a lot of kilometers from here. You can protect from it, and looking who is coming from the far places is really like the Ribat of Monastir and Ribat of Sus. The highest tour is the view from it, like is the same 360 degrees of protection from it.
That way if I fall, I have a cushy landing.
That's okay, Brandy, you're right.
Go ahead. Go to the right. Just while I take a photo. because you know the amphitheater of Al-Jam is the same way of building the amphitheater of Roma. The inspiration.
You're gonna be a gladiator, Brandy.
Right now we'll go straight and we'll find where it was the past, the rooms of the prisoners, and we'll see the big where a lot of historians they say that the priestess fall down on it, but they can call it the amphitheater of Al-Jam, the Colosseum, or they can call it the castle of the priestess. Hello, we are right now in the underground of the amphitheater of Jam. It is the prison where on the past they put the gladiators on it, and all the people who are refused to build this amphitheater or the hostage of the war. So here, we are one of the rooms that can hold around hundreds of people who can stay here, and they waiting for their time. They're building them to the ground to make a fight with the beasts and making a fight like they're telling them, if you win this tiger or this lion, we bring you to fight in the amphitheater of Roma. And if you win in the amphitheater of Roma, you will be free and you will go out to complete your life normally. But honestly, no one will win a tiger. For example, this one is a tomb. A person who passed all his life here, he died here, passed away here, and they buried him at this place.
Right.
Yeah. And you know, at the same place where they stay, they make their toilet. The toilet at the same place. No medications, nothing. It's big, miserable things happening here.
Ooh.
Hello. نتاع درجين اخرين كده. هاي. And this part who is the closet, when you look there to the slides, it was the rooms where they treat the beasts, the tigers and lions. But right now UNESCO is closing it, for no one can go there because it's a little bit dangerous and need to send ecologists for looking after it because you see some stones start to fall down.
Yes.
And it's dangerous to go there.